Have you ever wondered what actually happens inside a student dental clinic? We see the final results when we go for a checkup, clean teeth, advice, maybe an x ray. But behind that smooth process is a whole system that students like us go through every single clinic. So today, I am taking you behind the scenes of my university's student dental hygiene clinic. This is not just about teeth, it's going to be about teamwork, discipline, and learning how to take real responsibility of real patients. And trust me, even if you are not in healthcare, you will find it fascinating to see how structured and detailed this whole process is. The day begins before we even see a single patient. So, first of all, we all gather for something simple but very important: stretching. Yeah, you heard me right. Stretching. This, think about it like we are going to spend hours sitting on the clinician chair in one position, bending over patients and working with instruments. So, without preparing the body, it is going to be a little hard. So, that's why we start with it. Once we are done with stretching, we start the block meeting. This is like the morning huddle for the entire clinic. We share the entire plan of our clinic. Every single student talks about their patient one by one, what with what complaint the patient came, what's their age, what's their medical history, and what procedures are they gonna follow in today's clinic. So that's how every student shares their plan. It basically like presenting a case before even meeting the patient. And the best part, we do not do this alone. The entire block meeting, the entire clinic is supervised by an instructor. They listen, they guide, and make sure that we're thinking the right way before we even go and start working with the patient. Once the meeting is done, now it's time to move to our individual operatories. Well, that's a fancy word for dental rooms. Each student gets their own chair, their own unit, and space. So this is where preparation happens. Is infecting, laying out the instruments, checking if they all are in the right position, setting up if we need any equipment for x-rays, and making sure that everything is ready before the patient even walks in. In dentistry, setup is half the job. A clean and organized room shows respect for the patient, and it makes sure that the procedure flows smoothly. Because if you ever are going to a dental checkup, you won't like if the dentist or the dental hygienist is there setting up the room in front of you, right? You need the full respect, you need the full protocol, and the patient's safety is our number one motto here. Therefore, these all setups are done before. When the patient finally arrives, the real clinic experience begins, right? So we start with introductions, then making them comfortable, because we've seen a lot of patients who have dental chair anxiety. वो इतने परेशान आ रहे होते हैं, उनको पता नहीं होता. They feel like I don't know, I'm just उनका BP high होता है, and they'd be like very anxious. So we have to make them comfortable first, that it's totally going to be okay. We're not going to do any heavy procedure. इस तरह होगा. And what we usually do is that हम उनसे बातें करते रहते हैं. बातें in a sense कि we keep them aware of every single thing that we are doing. अगर even if it's any patient, it's important to let them know first कि आप अभी क्या कर रहे हैं, what procedure you're gonna do. So that's how we make them comfortable, and then begin the medical history review, because it's very important. You might feel like कि ये डॉक्टर्स हुए या फिर जो भी डेंटिस्ट हैं, हाइजीनिस्ट हैं, ये सवालात पूछते हैं कि आपको डायबिटीज़ है, आपको ये है, ये नहीं है. You'd be like, why is it so random? I'm here for my dental checkup. Why are they asking me these questions? This used to be my question when I did not join this program as well. So it's vital because patient may have health conditions. उनको allergies हो सकती हैं, कोई medication वो use कर सकते हैं जिनके effects हो सकते हैं जो कि dental treatment को भी affect करते हैं. So that's important. We see the patient as a holistic, not just focusing on the mouth. Then comes the examination. So the external examination, in which we look after every part that's outside mouth, the face, the jaw, the lymph node, if everything is fine around. Then the intraoral exam, in which we look into the mouth, teeth कैसे हैं, उनके gums कैसे हैं, मसूड़े सब ठीक हैं, उनका जो intraoral tissue है वो सब सही है. And then It's a full health check, not just about cavities or stains. And here is the interesting part: after each step, we do not just move on by our own. We sign up on the sign up sheet, then call the instructor, and if she can come and check. And once they've approved, we continue to the next procedure. So this gives us accountability, confidence that whatever I've done, whatever procedure I've done so far is complete. Now I can move on. This block form and sign up sheet that I keep mentioning is actually the backbone of the clinic. Think of it as a progress sheet that records every single step of each student, the examinations, X-rays, whatever the process has started. So every single time a task is completed, it is signed off by the instructor and both the student, and then the next procedure is continued. This may sound slow to you, right? कि इतनी प्रोसेस हो रहे हैं, असल काम अभी भी नहीं शुरू हुआ, but it is how quality control works. For example, some students might be taking X-rays, some are going for scaling, and some are doing assessments, but everything works under control. And it's clinic, but also a classroom. Each student moves at different pace, but it also keeps everybody accountable. That the patient also knows that they are being looked after carefully, and students know that they are learning properly as well. So it is like a win-win-win situation from everywhere. One of the most valuable part of this clinic system is how patient-centered it is. Like every patient does not just get a procedure, rather उनको one-on-one education भी दी जाती है. So we have a process. Once I'm done with all the assessments, patient का हर एक assessment हो गया, every examination is done, then we present this case in front of dentist. The patient is there, हम dentist को बुलाते हैं, we discuss with the dentist that these are the findings जो मैंने देखी हैं inpatient के. Then the dentist confirms all the findings, and then they give us a treatment plan in front of the patient. They give one-on-one education to the patient as well. And that is what makes this different from just watching a dentist do everything. Patients are part of the learning process, and they're not only receiving treatment but also helping the student to learn. If I talk about the time of this whole clinic, then of course all of this happens under strict timing. Clinics are structured into blocks, and which means we cannot spend forever on one patient. We need to complete each stage with a set period. That's another skill we are building. Not just how to treat, but how to manage time in a real world healthcare setting. And finally, once the clinic session ends, the work isn't over yet. We gather again for the post-clinic block meeting. This is where we share what happened, what we've completed. We basically share what are our learnings, what went well, or what challenges we faced, and how can we overcome these challenges for our future clinics. So it is a reflection time, because healthcare is not just about doing, it's about learning, improving, becoming more aware of every single case. So by the end of this day, the patient walks away with care, the student walks away with knowledge, and our best instructor, they make sure that standards were maintained. And that's a glimpse into what really happens inside a student in the clinic, from stretching to meetings to detailed protocols to instructor checks, and its whole world that you might never see as a regular patient, right? I hope this video gave you a new perspective of how a system works behind the scenes, what are the protocols that they follow. And this could have also improved or added some input of your knowledge. Thanks for watching. Until next time, take care of your smile.